Hello. Wait, let me see. Let's see if it's live. I mean, it should be. Okay, I think we're live. I think we're live. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna share my progress on Discord. Oh, I think I'm still in the room. Okay, so videos and streaming. Streaming my progress. I think I'm reaching the mental block. Okay. I really haven't set up anything. Wait, let me see my camera settings for a second. I think we should be good to go. Okay. Another app is using the camera? That's crazy. It shouldn't be this way. Video capture device. Camera. Oh, there it is. Holy shit, that looks terrible. But sure, I think we can live with that. I think this should be good enough. Okay, this is all set up. Okay, where were we? Regarding my progress, I've set up the main controls of the game. It's basically a game where the main character is a spider. You can move similar to the RC cars that used to be back in the day, where you use A to you use A to rotate. Oh fuck! No, I just realized now that it's reversed. Hold up, let me fix that real quick. So D and A. Oh fuck! This is gonna be so confusing though. But sure, I think we can live with that. I think we can live with that. So use A to move. Oh, this is very confusing. But sure, I'll keep it as is for now, and if it's confusing, we'll move it later on. But sure. Anyways, So the main gameplay of moving the spider there. I mean, you can move left and right and forwards by holding the two buttons together. In addition to that, you have an enemy bird currently that shoots. Well, it's supposed to be eggs, but currently it's just white balls that do nothing to you, even if you collide with them. In addition to that, you can do web sling. You can do web shooting. I don't know if it's called web shooting exactly, but you can extend webs from your bot basically. If you move to a point, you'll add a web and you can attach it to another one. Currently, it's very static and it's not animated, but I think this could be a very interesting thing. If it's polished enough. So I had this idea of basically creating a couple of these balls, of these random circles that we can create a web from, and we can use it either to to deflect balls. The controls are very difficult. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it as is. We can either use it to deflect the eggs that the bird is shooting and shoot them back at it, or we can use it to kind of entrap him inside it, and so he gets stuck and can't move. It's a very difficult decision to make in terms of attacking and combat. That's why I'm not gonna stick with that for now. I'm gonna move on and try to do an intro for the game, do a little onboarding, where we have a house that you enter, and once you enter the house, people are usually scared from little spideys, so they're gonna run out. The water cup, this is supposed to be a water cup, is gonna spill on top of the electricity thingy. What was it called? Electric vent, electric thingy. Oh, is it the one in Among Us? Electric. This thing. So I'm basically gonna create a same concept to this, and we're gonna have to fix it in order to bring back the light. And after that, we can do some mini quests, as in to help ants or like to help other stuff. And the last level is gonna be the one with the bird, the one with the fighting. So I'm hoping I can finish all of these in the next couple of hours without art and polish. And then I'll polish them and move to the bird thingy tomorrow. And I don't think I'm gonna have any more time to work on that. So, thank you, DLT. I think it's terrible, but I mean, I've already spent way too long on it, so I'm gonna stick with that. So, let's create some levels. Let's do some intros. I'm gonna go for the main screen, for the menu screen. Let's do menu. Delete everything we have. I don't want the game manager or the web manager or anything. Oh, by the way, I've created like a couple of shit that I don't think I'm gonna need. A game manager, a web manager, and an AI for the bird. I don't think I'm gonna need any of these. So I'm just gonna get rid of them for now. Maybe I can keep the game manager as in don't destroy and load. And I'm gonna need to create a lot of art for the background as well. I mean, who cares about art, right? So, UI canvas. We can keep the background as is for now. I'm gonna create a start button. Wait, does the start button count as a button in the controls? We're just gonna assume it is, because why not? Anyways, are we supposed to use TN Pro? I assume we are. Just a typical start for now. So this is the one, so it's not visible. Raise it to the top. Do we have a start? is that simple or not? I'm not quite sure. Yeah, sure. 60. This should move us to the other screen. I also thought about having this the start. I was thinking about when pressing start, this get raised to the top, and then the spider shows from the bottom. So here I'm just gonna hide the spider down here. Beep. Expand this a little bit. Because I don't have any art created for now, I'm just gonna create a placeholder, 820, 100. Let's use just the basic layout. This is gonna be the house that we're gonna be entering. This is gonna be the ground, and this is gonna be the little hole in the house that we're gonna sneak into it from. A basic door kind of thing. Oh fuck, this doesn't work. A basic door kind of thing is gonna be right here. Beep. And the spider is gonna sneak his way in over here, so let's just paint it green. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, my eyes. Sure, we'll have this. My art skills are subpar. Okay, sure. We'll go with that, I guess. Sure, we'll go with that. Fuck me. Okay, this is the door. This is gonna be our main screen. Freaking art right here. Save as yeah, menu. Yeah, background. Sure, let's go with that. By the way, I don't know if I can import any, like, play any music in the background. Like, I don't know any mods, so I'm just gonna play on Spotify and hope you guys hear it. And hopefully I don't get copyrighted. I probably will, but I mean, who cares, right? Oh, okay, I shouldn't probably do that. I'll just do some, you know, copyright lo-fi music. And just do this. Oh fuck! I'm not supposed to do that. Yeah, this should be chill. Wait, let me check. Yeah, okay. Let's go. Anyways, let's import our new background. top notch art. Game jam assets. Boom. Oh, it's so terrible. Oh, it's so fucking terrible. It's so fucking terrible. I hate it. I hate it. Let's have some idle animation for the UI. Button animator. I'll just create a simple folder. Create an idle. Boom. Oh fuck, I need to put it in a base. Sure, delete this. Create empty button holder. Put the button inside it and have let's have a base as well. We can animate the base instead of moving the button. Okay. So our button holder is right here. And it's not really aligned with it. Oh, because of this. Sure. Okay, we can animate this now. Let's create an idle where we can move the base up and down. Start here. Move up a little bit. Maybe like 30. And then put a 15. 45 will go down. Minus 30 and it'll go back to 0. And let's see how this looks. Oh, we have this glitch in between them because of the curve. Should be an easy fix. Boom. Boom. Let's try it now. Yeah, it's too heavy though. Let's fix the animation real quick. Put at 10 minus 10. It should be much nicer now. Oh, it's not. It's not nicer for some reason. Set it back to 15. Minus 15. You see the curves? The curves are messed up. Okay, let's see now. Play. Yeah, it needs to be even lower than that. Let's go with 10 minus 10 again. And see if this looks any better. Fix the curve. And play. Oh, I feel like players are gonna have trouble even clicking on the start button, but sure. We'll go with that. Okay, so in pressing start, let's move this all the way up. Let's move this all the way up. Let's add a menu script. You can do it with the game manager. Let's do a start button clicked. Create a script for UI references instead of every time searching for something in the UI. I'm just gonna create a script that's called UI references, and I'm gonna reference every single UI element in it. I hope this is easier than referencing every shit on its own. So for now we can reference the start there, internal game object. We can do it with transform as well. It's gonna be start holder, stop button holder. And in the game manager, when we click that, move start upwards, and then we're gonna show spider. Let's do the start thing first. Let's make it an instance. So we're gonna make this script an instance so we can use it from everywhere. Public static UI reference. Yeah, this is gonna be the instance. Oh, I don't want it to be capital. And on awake, let's set it if it's not set. So it's not instance, then set it up. And if not, and if it is set, we're just gonna destroy it. Oh, my cat is messing up with everything right now. It's annoying. Okay. So the start button, let's reference it in the game manager. Oh, it's not shown because we have an error. Let's comment that for now. Nice. We can reference the holder now. It's good. I don't know if we're allowed to use doTween and leanTween. I really like using them, so I'm just gonna import. They are free assets. Do you guys have any idea if we can use doTween or leanTween if you ever used it in Unity? Like, this package is really helpful and easy to use, especially when it comes to animations. I mean, it is free, so I'm just gonna import it and see what happens. Okay. I mean, I am using shitty art, so at least you can give me that, right? Alright, let's import it real quick. And if you haven't used it before, it's really interesting and makes the job a lot easier. I'll show you how in a sec. Alright, so for example, we have the button holder right here, and we'd wanna move it all the way up here. You can just create an empty object where you wanna move it, so like target, and it could be like right here. So this is the end result of where we'd wanna the start to end. We'll reference it real quick so we can get that. So start button target, and here in the game manager, where we want to move the start button upwards, we can just do leanTween, just move whatever we want. So currently we want to move the UI reference dot instance dot start button. We'd want to move it to the target. Dot instance dot target. And then we tell them how long we'd want the tween to last for. I just want to do 0.5, so it's really fast. The holder is erect, so we need to reference the game object, I think. Yeah, let's do game object. And then this should be it. Let's connect the button that we got to the function in the game object, in the game manager. Game manager, move. What's it called? Oh, it's private, my bad. Move start upwards. It should be showing now. Yep. And then when we click start, wow, we have a lot of, oh, we didn't reference it. UI references. Oh, it's in the game manager. The target. Let's try that again. Start. It moves up. I mean, it's not the best because it's really slow, and that's this is when we tweak it. Let's make it much shorter, and then on the start of it we can do a set ease in, and then we can do it back. So now it will move back before it goes in, and it should give it this rubber band effect kind of thing. Yeah, this is better, I think. It could be a little bit slower, but I'm sure we'll go with that. We'll go with that. Let's do 0.3. And then we're gonna move the spider upwards a little bit as well. So let's see where we wanna move him. The spider. Oh, this is my little spider, by the way. I know he's terrible, but I'm doing my best. So. Okay, let's move little Spidey. Create empty is gonna be the spider target. Let's put it right here. -5, -3, and 0. We'll do the same X position, so -5. This can stay as is for now. So this is spider target. Let's reference. Oh, we don't need to reference it. We can just put it in the game manager for now. So serializable, because we want to keep it private. Game object. Spider target, and we can do the same thing that we did with the start button. So let's do the same thing, but instead of moving the button holder, we're gonna move the spider, the game object, and we're gonna move it towards the spider target. But it's really fast, so we want to make it much slower. Let's do 1 second. Spider target. Oh, it's some game object. We can do that. Dot transform. This should be it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, the canvas is stretching. This is not good. The spider did not move. That's okay. Let's deal with the canvas first because this is really annoying to me. Okay, this is set to it's set to constant pixel size. Okay, there we go. Let's see, are we getting here? Oh, this is not even being called. Because we're calling the wrong fucking function. It's my bad. Button. Instead of calling this, we need to call start button clicked. Let's try that again. Okay, it is being called now. Let's see if he moves. It doesn't move. Because we're moving the spider instead of... Oh, we are moving spider game object. What's the problem then? The variable spider target of game manager has not been assigned. Oh, my bad. Spider target. Oop. And the spider is showing. This is some elite game development right here, guys. Elite. We moved the start button upwards and we showed the spider. That's... Yeah, we're totally gonna win this. Frick. Okay. By the way, before we click start, we're capable of moving the spider. So right now, if I move it, we can. He still shows on the screen, and they wanna block the controls before that. So let's add a variable for that in the spider controller. So if he can't control, then just return. Let's add the can control variable right here. Public boolean can control. Let's set it to false at the very beginning. And once we click start, we're gonna allow him to control it. Oh, so instead of clicking, so if we click on start, he's gonna be able to start controlling the spider before he reaches up here. So in Lean to Win, you can do a very beautiful thing where it's called oh, we're gonna remove this, by the way, on complete. So once he arrives here, we're just gonna do spider controller dot... Oh, we don't have a reference for the spider controller. That's not lucky. Let's do spider dot get component, and I really hate using that component, but I can be bothered right now. Spider controller, and we're gonna set the can control to true. So now, if we start the game, let's give it a test. Pressing both buttons is not moving, and now I can move him. That's cool. By the way, I want him to move on the ground, not on this area. So I'm gonna figure out the way to make him unmovable in the sky area of the screen. But this is not for now. For now, let's make him enter this and move towards the next scene. So let's add some colliders. This is UI, and the spider is sprite renderer. So we're gonna fake it and add a 2D game object as sprite. Let's make it a square. And we're gonna set it on the same spot of the wall. Give it a little rotation. Resize it a little bit. Oh, this is not good. Still local. There's gonna be a little collider. Get collider 2D. It's not a trigger. Nice. Our spider has a collider already, and it is a trigger, so this should work. I'm just gonna hide it for now. It is kinda hidden. It is okay, not totally. And I'm gonna add a tag on it. Yeah, let's call it wall hole. I'm gonna set it on the square. Yeah, sure, we'll go with that. Okay. So spider, where you at? So we have a collision already, and we check if it's a web dot. That's the functionality we have for linking in between dots, the strings, the webs. We're gonna do the same thing, but instead of doing that, we're gonna check if it has a tag. So tag. I feel like this is not how we do that. Collision tag check unity. I totally forgot. I haven't done this in a while. If collider game object dot tag, whatever it is, okay, sure. Then yeah, dot game object dot tag is equal to wall hole. Then we're gonna do whatever we want. Let's make sure it debugs the message for now to see if it's working. Log. We're in the hole. A goal. Yeah, sure. We'll we're in the goal. By the way, I hate using strings. That's why I'd rather have it. Oh, we're in the hole. That's nice. We have a really weird effect here as well. But sure. I hate using strings because I might mess up a character here and there and it'll mess up my whole functionality. So I'm just gonna do a script that's called constants, and I'm gonna use it for every const. Then I'm gonna use it for every string that I have. Let's do an instance, same to what we did with the UI references right here. Let's do this. And do another public static consts instance. We're gonna use this for every single constant that we have. So let's do a public string wall hole. And this is gonna be the wall hole. Capital W, capital H. And instead of doing this, we're going to do constants dot wall hole. It's still proper. Oh, we have compare tag. That's even better. Okay, let's go. Okay, once we reach that, we're gonna stop the movement of the spider. So we'll do spider dot get component. Oh, we could do we have a reference for the controller here? We don't. Let's do a reference real quick. Spider controller. We're gonna reference the controls from the spider itself, because the controls and the object are separated. The scripts are at least separated, but they are on the same object. And instead of using get component, because get component is a really heavy task for Unity, we're just gonna use a reference. Let's add it before we forget and get any errors. So reference is right here. And once we hit the collision, we're gonna do spider controller dot gain control false. We can do this we can turn this into a setter getter as well, but this should be enough for now. We can do a little animation where we move the spider inside the hole. Let's see how we can fake it. -5, -6. I'm just gonna copy that for now. Copy component. So currently, if we move the spider inwards, it's just gonna look like this, because the square is not on top of it. Let's do -5. Try again. Oops. Do 5. How is it not getting on top of it? That's okay. There we go. Okay, so -3 is a good position to have, and then spider can move in, but it looks like it's very static. So I'd rather use like a fade in kind of thing. Alright, so let's do a fade. A512, A512. Let's turn this into a black one. I should have a gray out to, yeah, the gradient tool right here. The bottom one should be fully transparent. This effect should do it, I think. Even smaller, like this kinda. Let's export that as a PNG. A gradient. Let's add the gradient effect to the textures. Let's see what we can do with it. Instead of using a fully square, we can use a gradient effect, kind of like this, but much smaller. Holy fuck. Boom, boom, boom. Huh. And let's see what happens if we put the spider inside it. Oh, it kinda starts fading, but it's not as effective as I thought it would be. Oh, it's very small. Oh, we should make it much stronger. Hold up. I think we can edit it from here. By the way, I'm using Paint.net. I know it's a terrible tool, but I mean, it gets the job done for now, and I'm very grateful for it. Sure, let's try that. Okay, it does look like he's going into it a little bit, kinda. We can do some masking to hide it. To the object sprite, let's do another square. Set it right on top of it. Copy component, paste component values. Oh, this doesn't work, but it'll help a little bit. I will make sure this is a mask. Sprite mask. Let's put this inside it. Oh, it's still not masked. That's fun. I haven't done sprite mask in a while. Only work with UI. For sure, let's remove it. We can change this to resize. Instead of 512 by 512, we can do 512 by 128. Yeah, English only, man. This is kind of annoying, but I mean, it should do the trick. Okay, anyways, I hope this can do the fade-in thingy. Sure, let's do this. Bring back to its original position. Nice, 6. Make sure that no control works on collision. Yeah. Spider target should be -5. Make it a little bit faster. Oh. Fucked up something with the debug. That's okay. Sure, let's try now. Alright, we still can't control it even after we hit the wall. It's not set on an instance of an object. That's weird. Are you talking about the constants? This is very confusing. Let's do a little debug here, see what happens. So const is not valid. Okay, that's interesting. Just fuck that, I'm not gonna waste any time on that. I'm just gonna keep it as is. Compare tag. With wall hole. And try it one more time. Alright, we can't control it anymore. We're gonna change its position. Okay, measure to instance. Move into wall. And this is gonna be the function that moves the spider right into the wall. So lean tween. Scale. I'm gonna play with the scale to fake the movement. Scale the spider game object like 0 in 1 second. Oh, we don't need to overload it. Can't resolve the method because it takes object int and float, and you need to change it into Into a Victor 3. Oh fuck, my bad. It's supposed to be Victor 3. Dot 0. Oh, this is so bad. This is so terrible. This is so fucking terrible. This is so fucking terrible. Maybe we can fake it a little bit. Let's see. Can I decrease its visibility by any chance? Fuck, I don't think I can. Sure. Okay, instead of spot target, let's add the wall target. Should be right here. Do a 3.6. Reference it in the game manager. Let's add a header. Level 1 references. Spider target is supposed to be here. And the wall target. Let's copy the same thing we did with the spider first time. Lean tween. Good move. Spider. Yeah, let's copy that.
YouTube Premium is ad-free YouTube and the YouTube
Oh fuck! I don't have the thingy. Move down. Next scene. Instead of the spider target, we're gonna do the wall target. Transform. We'll see if this helps. Oh, still they move! Still they move! Oh, because we don't have a reference for the thingy. Yeah, makes sense. Wall target. Wall target. Level 1 references. Okay, I mean, it's kind of bit. I don't know. Let's do some reorganizing in here. This is the targets. Put the wall and spot target inside, as well as the. Now we can keep this here. We can delete the enemy. Game manager is supposed to be here. This is the start. Yeah, it should be enough for the main menu. I know the art is terrible, but still. Let's keep working on the second level. Something a little bit more fun, I hope. So we did create the first instance where you learn the basic movement of the spider. I know that you can move like his. I know I haven't taught them how to move it. We're gonna still need to add like some text to show how we can move the spider right and left. But now we're gonna have to create a scene where the spider gets into the hole in the wall. He walks towards the human, and he flips over the the water cup on top of the. What is it called? Wait, Aron Hashmal. Hold up. Aron Hashmal. Like this thingy! But I have no idea what it called in English. Hold up. Translate. Oh, an electrical cabinet. Yeah, okay. An electrical cabinet. Okay, this thing. Yeah, we're gonna have this thing right next to the human. I don't know if I should go to pixel art or not. That seems very complicated. But sure. Anyways. Scene 2. Which is gonna be level 1. For the background, I can create a simple one. Wait. Yeah, this should be it. So how are we supposed to create a very simple wall texture? You can either use a free asset like a very bricked up one. Let's use the Unity store because fuck it, why not? The Unity store, wall, cartoony, and if it's free, then we're allowed to use it in the game jam. And why waste time on art? Oh fuck! See, I don't want that. Should be a filter for free somewhere. Price free. Okay, this is some good stuff. We can use it for now. Like a wall set. It looks terrible, but I mean, sure, it can do the job. Yeah, fuck it. Let's take it. Let's take it for now. Graffiti walls. Oh, this is 3D. My bad. Sure, let's go with this. Boom, boom. Level 1. Package manager. It should be right here. It's not right here because I didn't add it to my assets, apparently. Refresh it, and it's showing now. I hope it looks good because I didn't add any polish for the spider, and I should add some animations to it. I think this should be the next thing to do for actually continuing. So, wall. Ew! Ew! I don't know how to feel about this. I really don't know how to feel about this. But sure, we'll make it work for now. Fucking disgusting, man. It is what it is. Get rid of the square. Search my eyes. Don't need the start button as well. Ugh. Oh, we have to do the target. Don't need the target. Sure. Let's add a electrical cabinet. Electrical cabinet. I mean, we have some. They're in 3D, but do we have anything in 2D? We have one, but it is paid for. Okay, then we'll create one of our own. 124 by 120. Let's do 512 by 512. Let's make this a black background. Oh, my bad. I mean, a cabinet is very simple, right? Yeah, let's see how a closed one looks like, and then we can just try and copy it. Yeah, it is pretty simple. It is like a gray box with a danger sign on it. We have like these very simple handles. So we'll do this. Start with a very bright box. Yeah. Let's add another gray one on top of it. This kind of gray should do the job. A very simple handle on the right side. Yeah, the grayish thingy. Very unnecessary detail, but we'll go with that. And then we can do the triangle in the middle, in the I don't know why I'm wasting time on this bullshit. Not this one. Oh, it's supposed to be a black one. Do I want to make it black? Maybe. Sure, we'll go with this for now. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, this is terrible. Um, yeah, sure. We'll go with that. We'll go with that, I guess. I don't know, man. Oh, I hate this art so much. Game Jam! There it is, textures. This is an electrical cabinet. Okay, let's add it into the game. Yeah, I mean, looks kind of decent. Looks kind of decent. I know it looks terrible, but I mean, never claimed to be an artist. Let's have a water cup sitting right on top of it. Maybe we can change the size. 128, 128. I mean, a cup. How hard should it be to draw a cup of water? Yeah, something as simple as this. Oh no, just we moved to pixel art. Sure, why not? Why not? We'll do some water effects. No, let's not do that. Water cup. 2D. Oh, it's not free. That's unlucky. We can add some pipes to the electrical cabinet. Electric. would be the cabinet. Let's have some pipes coming out of it. Let's do a square. A gray one. We'll extend it, make it much thinner. Be like this a little bit. Then we can move the Z so they're behind it. 20. Okay. Now what? That's the real question. Do we draw the actual cup, or do we just look for one online and export it and like import it to our project? I'm not gonna draw the sequence, I'm just gonna add the colliders and the actual like technical functionality of how it works, and then I'll move into the actual animation of the water cup being dropped. So let's add a collider to this. Oh, it's very big though. Yeah, this should do the job. 4x5. And let's add a tag to it. Let's call it electrical. And let me know when you hit it. Wait, where's the collision at? One trigger. Oh, it's a spider. Let's copy paste this. Electrical. Nice. Move into electric. Public void, turn off light. Before going into electrical, we're gonna have the lights shut off. We're gonna find a way to do that. We don't have any lighting currently, but we can add a canvas that's on top of everything with with an image that's stretched all the way up. We'll have it be black, very dim. Instead of, I feel like we can set it to camera. Oh, it's not showing properly. To be raised all the way up. Oh, okay, there you go. Nice, now we have a dark theme. image. Then put it inside this. This would be a mask. And this would be maskable. Oh. How do I reverse mask stuff? Let's see if we can do that. Unity mask UI show outside mask. Walk through the UI source code. I don't think this is possible. PC's iMask interface itself. This is a total guess, and hopefully somebody can find more information. Not officially, no, okay. So we're gonna have to create an inverse then. So new 120 by 720. Paint this black. And I want to create an inverse mask. Oh, make it white. So to create a light inverse mask, we're gonna have to make it show from both sides. Something like this. Why is it? Oh, I can only do it on one side? That's crazy. Ah, there you go. Cheated the system. Kinda cheated the system. Ah, there you go. We should mask this. Oh, because it's black. This is very interesting. Okay, what if we mask it twice? Let's see, I already have a gradient right here. So let's add a gradient. So this gradient will be my mask. Ah! Oh, it does have a mask already. We wanna hide the color. This is not really giving the effect that I wanted to show. Okay, what if we do actual lighting? Image, make it black, full. Like right now it's dark. Maybe we can add some lighting to it. Point light. No, this doesn't do anything. Real-time indirect bounce shadowing is only supported for directional lights. We don't need to do that. No, it's not really helping though. That's unlucky. Just do the normal one then. Let's have the gradient show. Rotate it. And hopefully this does the effect. Oh, this gradient effect sucks. But sure, let's keep it. This is all we have. Square. Nice. This is full them. This is left them. This is right them. Okay. I want to create a glow kind of effect, but I want to make it feel electrical in a sense. So we'll see how we can do that. Kind of like bzz, bzz, bzz kind of thing. Do we 180? It lasts so long, like 2 seconds. Just 1 second. Rate over time, rate over distance, simulation speed, start speed. Stretch. Why is it stretching like that? Okay, there you go. Let's add some gravity to it. Gravity modifiers. Do 10. Do 5. Maybe 3. Let's raise it up a little. Given a neon-ish like. That's too fast. $15. ليش يا ويش لحظة ليه يا عم متكبر؟ Why man why? How do I do this shit? Bro ليش؟ Start size. Do some randomness between 0.1 and 0.5. Okay. Do some drag. Random to like 0.2, 0.8. Does this work? هسه فكرت فيها. Dude, I've been trying to do this thing. This scenario, like you drop where they pour water on top of the electrical cabinet, and then the spider goes in and he connects these. But it makes no fucking sense. Why would this event cause this? Like, there's just no connection in between them. I actually have no clue. Aha! Wait, this might actually work. Ah, yes, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. Hello. طوب. This is a little fuckery to me, so I'm gonna put a pin on it. I'm gonna go back to the sample scene where we had the bird at the beginning and try to do the actual functionality of how we can control it, of reverse shooting the eggs on the bird. It's like having it bounce back on him. Okay, let's see how we can do that. If we wait, the music's paused. Wait, do I get copyrighted on YouTube if I play, you know, copyrighted shit? I'm just gonna assume I do for now. Ah! Annoying. Okay. Where were we? Okay, let's say we have a line. And somewhere along the line, a ball hit it. We're gonna have to see in what position the ball hit. And in what direction did it come from. So it came from this direction. Then move this one back here. Do 2 connections. And then bring it back. And then shoot it in the same direction. كثير أشياء. Okay. Get direction. Get position. I'm a million stars just for you. Huh? Huh? This shit? Okay. You can't hear the music. Why? Oh, can you hear it now? Okay. Let's go back to the game manager. Public void string ball hit. This is gonna need to receive 3 things. A vector 3 showing the direction, and vector 3 showing the position. Let's go for the egg. On trigger enter. Ah, fucking hell. Fuck me, man. Let's see, can we have a collider on top of this? Line renderer. Oh nice. وده بزيد كمان واحدة. You know what? Remove component. هتشوف. Add component box collider to the Okay. Nice. We can see a collider on top of this. We just need to make sure that this has a collider as well. And this circle collider. Boom. Add a rigid body to it. Make sure the gravity is off. And that it's a trigger. And now, let's see what happens. Egg. أما إيطاليات. Wait, un momento.
Beautiful, beautiful sunset light that once again. Yeah, make sure to check out my new thing, Voices in My Head, which you will hear after this song. And also make sure to check out my merchandise store for this awesome Twitter. And hope you enjoy the set. Let's go!
Okay. I is back. Scotta. اوكي. هات نعرف بالاول وين الطابة. Wait, is there actually one? Right, الجوين decoration.